Hi friends, welcome back to Reed's Kitchen. Today in this video, I'll be sharing with you two recipes. The first recipe is the veg Manchurian and the second recipe is the Szechuan fried rice. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add half a cup of minced onions, 1 cup of grated carrot, half a cup of finely minced French beans, 1 cup of finely minced cabbage, half a cup of finely minced capsicum, few spring onions finely minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of maida flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 pinch of baking soda, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and salt to taste. Now start mixing the ingredients together without adding any water, as the vegetables will start releasing its water. Now you can see that all the mixture is being binded together. So now let's start making the balls. Now I'm going to start frying the veg balls. Oil is getting hot. Okay, now I'll start adding the balls one by one. So make sure that the pan is not crowded. I'll be frying this veg balls twice. This is because that these balls will not absorb more oil. And now I'll start removing the balls one by one and I'll keep it aside for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay friends, it's been about 5 minutes now. So now I'm going to put back all the balls back into the same pan and deep fry it till it turns crispy. I'm going to make the gravy for the veg balls. Take another pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add minced onions and few spring onion leaves, 2 green chilies minced, ginger, minced garlic. Stir it well on high heat. Add the capsicum. Let this fry for about a minute. Reduce the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well on low heat. Add half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, optional a few grains of Ajinomoto, salt to taste. In the meantime, take a cup, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and water and make a watery mixture and pour it into the gravy. Let this gravy boil for a minute. After that, add the balls one by one into the gravy. Slightly start stirring the balls into the gravy. And this should be done on the low flame. Add half a teaspoon of sugar, which will give a good balance to the gravy. Garnish it with spring onions. And now you can give it a good stir. We turn off the flame. Okay friends, the veg Manchurian is ready. So quickly I will teach you the next recipe, which is the Szechuan fried rice. Okay friends, so here it is, the veg Manchurian and the Szechuan fried rice. So if you want to know more about the Szechuan sauce, you can check my previous video. And I hope you enjoy these two recipes. So if you love these recipes, so please comment below and please like, share and subscribe to Reed's Kitchen.